No, my name's Nigel Hely. This is my 1887 Marshall Sons and Company 3 horsepower portable steam engine. As I said, it was built in 1887 in Gainsborough, England. It was transported to Australia and delivered to a farm in Dalton, New South Wales, where it was actually used to drive a sawmill. We discovered only yesterday from a visitor here to the rally that it had a sister engine and 2 engines worked side by side in the sawmill. And the town where it worked in was in Dalton, New South Wales. I've had the engine for about 6 years now. Bought it off David Toyne, and he had done some restoration work to the engine and before that time. And I did some finishing off work and sort of got it to the condition where we see it here today. For those who don't know how a steam engine works, this part of the engine here contains a fire. This part of the engine here is essentially a great big barrel full of water. The fire travels through that barrel of water via a series of tubes about that diameter. So the smoke and the fire is made here, travels through the centre of the fire and up the chimney. As the fire travels through the water, it imparts its energy into the water and raises the temperature of the water to 100 degrees Celsius, after which time it becomes steam. The steam is then captured in the space at the very top, from there up. And as you can see, the cylinder part of the engine, which contains the pistons and the valves, are at the highest part of the boiler, which gets the best quality steam. And we throttle the quality of steam or the volume of steam into the boiler using this regulator handle here, which enables us to preset the engine speed.
The Old Machinery magazine. Remember to subscribe and tap the bell to be notified of any new videos.